Star Jasmine, or Trachelospermum jasminoides, is a truly wonderful plant. Its evergreen leaves provide color all year round. In summer it bursts into a profusion of starry white flowers. These flowers release the most heavenly scent. Growing it in a pot makes it accessible to everyone. You don't need a large garden to enjoy its charm. It brings beauty and fragrance right to your doorstep. Pots give you great flexibility. You can move the plant to catch the sun or shift it to a more sheltered spot in winter. If you have a small garden, patio, or balcony, a potted jasmine is perfect. It allows you to create a little scented oasis. Imagine sitting out on a warm evening surrounded by that glorious perfume. The experience of growing star jasmine is a treat for the senses. The perfume is the star attraction, filling your garden or patio on a still summer evening. The glossy dark green leaves look good throughout the year. They make a lovely backdrop for the pure white star-shaped flowers. It's a plant that truly repays the care you give it. With a few key pointers which I'll share with you here, you can succeed. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Star jasmine is a very generous plant to grow. Choosing the right pot is the first step to a happy star jasmine. This plant has vigorous roots and needs space to grow. Don't start with a tiny pot, it will quickly become root-bound. A good-sized pot from the outset will save you trouble later on. It gives the roots the room they need to establish and support healthy top growth. A comfortable home makes for a contented plant. I'd recommend a pot that is at least 30 to 40 centimeters in both diameter and depth. A bigger pot provides more stability for a climbing plant. It also holds more compost, which means more moisture and nutrients. Drainage is crucial for star jasmine grown in pots. It cannot tolerate sitting in waterlogged soil, which leads to root rot. Make sure your chosen pot has plenty of drainage holes at the bottom. Water must be able to escape freely every time you water. Good drainage is the foundation of success. Terracotta pots are lovely and porous, helping with aeration. However, they dry out more quickly in summer and can be heavy. Plastic pots are lighter, retain moisture better, and are more frost-proof. Consider your local climate and watering habits when you choose. Both can work well if managed correctly. The right pot sets the stage for a thriving star jasmine. Once you have your pot, the next thing is the compost. It's important to use a good quality potting mix. Don't use soil from your garden beds in pots. It tends to compact in containers. This restricts drainage and airflow to the roots. Buy a good peat-free multi-purpose compost or one specifically for container plants. Star jasmine likes a well-draining mix that can still hold on to some moisture. Most good potting composts will provide this. To improve drainage, add some horticultural grit or perlite to your mix. About 1 part grit to 3 or 4 parts compost is a good ratio. Sunlight is another key ingredient for a thriving star jasmine. It needs at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. A sunny south-facing or west-facing wall is often ideal. The warmth and light encourage strong growth and abundant blooms. If it's in a spot that's too shady, it will produce more leaves than flowers. Star jasmine is adaptable and will grow in partial shade, but flowering might be reduced. In very hot climates, some afternoon shade can prevent leaf scorching. Observe your plant and see how it responds to the light. You can always move a potted plant if it's not quite happy. Proper soil and light are essential for a flourishing star jasmine. Watering your potted star jasmine correctly is vital for its health. The amount of water it needs will vary with weather, pot size, and plant size. Check the soil by sticking your finger about an inch or two down. If it feels dry, then it's time to water. If it still feels moist, hold off for a day or two. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. When you water, do it thoroughly until water runs out of the drainage holes. This ensures the entire root ball gets properly moistened. After watering, make sure the pot is not left standing in water. In winter, reduce watering significantly as the plant's growth slows. Star jasmine in pots will benefit from regular feeding. Nutrients in potting compost get used up and leach out with each watering. A balanced liquid fertilizer is a good choice during the main growing season. This is typically from spring through to late summer. For a feeding schedule, aim to fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks while it's actively growing. From midsummer onwards, consider switching to a high potash feed. Something like a liquid tomato fertilizer works well. The extra potassium encourages more flowers and helps ripen the wood. Always follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging. Proper watering and feeding are key to a healthy star jasmine. Pruning is an important part of caring for your potted star jasmine. It helps maintain a manageable size and shape, especially for a container plant. It also encourages the plant to become bushier and produce more flowering shoots. The best time to prune is right after it has finished flowering, typically in late summer or early autumn. Pruning at this time allows new growth to mature before winter. Avoid hard pruning too late in the season. A light trim to tidy things up is generally all that's needed. Use clean, sharp secateurs or pruning shears for clean cuts. Trim back any shoots that have become overly long and straggly. Thin out dense areas to improve light penetration and air movement. Star Jasmine is a twining climber and needs support. A trellis attached to a wall or fence is a classic choice. An obelisk or a wigwam of canes in the pot also works well. As new shoots grow, gently tie them into the support using soft garden twine. This guides the plant upwards and creates a lovely display. Pruning and training keep your Star Jasmine looking its best. As your Star Jasmine grows, it will eventually need repotting. Young, vigorous plants might need to be moved into a slightly larger pot every 1 to 2 years. More mature plants can often stay in the same pot for longer. If your plant is in a very large container, repotting can be a big job. In this case, you can often get away with an annual top dressing. This means carefully scraping away the top inch or two of old compost and replacing it with fresh. The best time to repot is usually in early spring. Look for signs like roots growing out of the drainage holes or the plant drying out quickly. When you repot, choose a container that is just one size larger than the current one. Don't go too big all at once, as this can lead to problems with overwatering. Keep an eye out for common garden pests and diseases. While Star Jasmine is generally resilient, it can occasionally suffer from aphids or scale insects. Check your plant regularly and deal with pests promptly. Good air circulation around the plant helps prevent fungal issues. Winter care is important, especially in colder regions. Established Star Jasmine plants are reasonably hardy but more vulnerable in pots. In very cold areas, move your potted jasmine to a more sheltered spot. Wrapping the pot with bubble wrap or hessian can help protect the roots from freezing. A layer of horticultural fleece over the foliage can protect it from severe frosts. Extra care ensures your Star Jasmine thrives. Growing Star Jasmine in a pot is a truly rewarding experience. We've talked about choosing the right pot and ensuring it has good drainage. We've covered the importance of using a good quality potting mix and finding a sunny spot. Regular watering and feeding during the growing season are key. A little bit of pruning and training will keep your plant looking its best and flowering beautifully. The rewards for this care are immense. Imagine those warm summer evenings with your patio or balcony filled with that intoxicating sweet perfume. The sight of those delicate star-like white flowers against the dark glossy evergreen leaves is a joy. It's a plant that brings a touch of elegance and romance to any space. It truly is a wonderful addition, giving you pleasure for many years to come. Gardening is a journey of learning and enjoyment. Star Jasmine is quite a forgiving plant, perfect for beginners. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be well on your way to success. There's nothing like the satisfaction of nurturing a plant and watching it flourish. As we enjoy these fine days of May in 2025, plan your own fragrant feature. Think about that perfect spot on your patio. Imagine the scent drifting through an open window. Get a nice pot, some good compost, and a healthy young Star Jasmine plant. Your fragrant journey can begin today. Happy gardening, and discover why this plant is so well loved by gardeners everywhere.